What's up, guys? I just got my Furminator in the mail. It is for large dogs. I think the description said for 50 to 90 pounds. I'm going to try it out on my 6-month-old German Shepard. She is not shedding like a crazy amount, but she still sheds somewhat hair. So I'm gonna try it out on her and see how it works. Okay. Let's try it out. Hey, come here. Sit down. Hey, sit down. Good girl. Look. Hey, we're gonna try this. You want to smell it? Yeah, we're gonna try this on you, okay? Stay. Good girl. Stay, okay? I don't know if I'm supposed to do like long strokes or short strokes, but we're gonna find out. Hey, come on. Come here. Sit down. Stay, okay? Stay. Ooh, does that feel good? No? Nice. Good girl. I don't want to be too aggressive with it, you know? Just, with those little strokes, that's how much, we've... So what you do is you press this right here. Careful, mama. So you press this right here. Hey. Hey, can you sit? Can you sit down? Hey, sit. So you press this right, and then it pushes down on all the hair that, you've been shedding off. It's, it's a decent amount. Nothing crazy. We're gonna keep trying. Come on. Hey, don't eat that. Don't eat your hair. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Stay. She seems to like it. So now I'm applying a little bit more pressure down, and this definitely cut a lot more. Look at this. Hey man, this is kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Come here. Leave the hair there, okay? Leave it alone. Oh, don't go to the pool. Come here. Sit. Stay. She likes it because she's decided to lay down. Y'all hear that? Is the elote man. Hey, sit down, I'm not done with you, girl. But anyways, just, by that, look at this. It's a pretty decent amount of hair.